Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and wondered why your face looks a bit puffier than usual, or why your eyes seem swollen even though you slept through the night? Maybe you notice that your socks are leaving deep, stubborn indentations around your ankles by the end of the day. Most of us just shrug these things off as signs of tiredness or a salty dinner, but your body might be whispering a warning about two of the most hardworking organs you own. Your kidneys are the silent warriors of your biology, working 24/7 to filter every single drop of blood in your body. But here is the scary part. Kidney disease is often called a silent killer because it can progress for years without causing a single bit of pain. By the time someone feels a dull ache in their back, their kidneys might already be struggling significantly. However, there is a silver lining. There are specific powerful fruits and vegetables that can act as a natural repair kit for your internal filters. In a few minutes, I'm going to reveal one particular crunchy vegetable that most people overlook, which actually contains a compound that helps scrub your blood vessels clean. But before we get to that, we need to understand the subtle signals your kidneys are sending you right now. Think of your kidneys as the ultimate high-tech filtration plant. They don't just make urine. They regulate your blood pressure, balance your body's fluids, and even activate vitamin D so your bones stay strong. When they start to struggle, the evidence shows up in places you might not expect. Have you noticed persistent fatigue lately? If your kidneys aren't filtering properly, waste products and toxins start to build up in your bloodstream. This buildup makes it incredibly hard to feel energized, no matter how much coffee you drink. This can even lead to anemia, leaving you feeling weak and breathless. And then there is the bathroom. If you find yourself getting up multiple times a night or noticing that your urine looks dark or unusually foamy, pay attention. That foam is often a sign of protein leaking out of your filters and into your waste. It is like having a hole in a coffee filter. The good stuff is getting through where it shouldn't. You might be wondering why this happens in the first place. For many, it comes down to what we put on our plates. While we often hear that protein is the building block of life, an excess of animal protein can actually place a massive burden on your kidneys. When your body breaks down protein, it produces urea and nitrogen waste. Your kidneys have to work overtime to flush that nitrogen out. Over years, this constant strain can lead to wear and tear. Combine that with high salt intake, which raises blood pressure and damages the delicate filters in the kidneys, and you have a recipe for trouble. Even common over-the-counter painkillers can cause cumulative damage if used too frequently. But here's where it gets interesting. While water is essential, water alone cannot repair the cellular damage caused by inflammation. To truly protect and support your kidneys, you need specific antioxidants and phytochemicals. Let's talk about the first superstar in the kidney recovery pantry, the red bell pepper. Most people reach for green peppers, but the red ones are the real heroes here. Why? Because they are incredibly low in potassium, which is vital for people who need to be careful with their kidney load. They are also packed with vitamin C and lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. It is like giving your kidneys a protective shield against the daily grind of filtration. But if you think red peppers are impressive, wait until you hear about the humble cauliflower. Cauliflower is often dismissed as a boring side dish, but for your kidneys, it is pure gold. It is rich in compounds called glucosinolates. These are the same compounds found in superfoods that help your liver and kidneys neutralize toxins more effectively. Plus, cauliflower is a great source of fiber, which helps your body eliminate waste through the digestive tract, taking some of the pressure off your urinary system. Speaking of the cabbage family, don't overlook cabbage itself. It is loaded with phytochemicals that break down free radicals before they can damage your kidney tissues. It is low in potassium and high in vitamin K, making it a perfect staple for a kidney-friendly diet. Now let me ask you a question. Do you use garlic and onions in your cooking? If you do, you are already doing your kidneys a massive favor. Garlic has natural anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to a compound called allicin. It doesn't just make food taste better. It helps lower blood pressure and reduces the oxidative stress on your kidneys' filtering units. Onions go a step further. They contain quercetin, a potent antioxidant that helps regulate blood sugar and keeps your blood vessels flexible. Since diabetes and high blood pressure are the leading causes of kidney failure, adding more garlic and onions to your meals is like hiring a security team for your organs. I promised to tell you about a fruit that hides a secret compound for uric acid. That fruit is the cucumber. Cucumbers are about 95% water, which makes them great for hydration. But the real magic lies in their ability to help the body process and remove uric acid. High levels of uric acid can lead to kidney stones and other painful issues. By munching on cucumbers, you are essentially providing your kidneys with a gentle, natural flush. And if you want to take that hydration to the next level, look no further than watermelon. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline, which improves blood flow and helps the kidneys move fluids more efficiently. It is also a source of lycopene, just like those red peppers we talked about. But what about your morning snack? If you grab an apple, you are doing something right. Apples contain a specific type of fiber called pectin. Pectin is famous for its ability to lower cholesterol and help stabilize blood sugar levels. When your cholesterol and blood sugar are under control, your kidneys don't have to work nearly as hard. Just make sure you eat the skin, as that is where many of the most valuable antioxidants live. And we can't talk about kidney health without mentioning berries. Blueberries are often called a brain food, but they are just as important for your kidneys. They are bursting with anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their dark color. These anthocyanins are like high-powered cleaners that reduce inflammation throughout the entire body, especially in the delicate tissues of the kidney. Then there is the cranberry. Most people know cranberries are good for urinary tract infections, but they do much more than that. They prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the bladder and the kidneys themselves. By preventing these infections, you are preventing the potential scarring and long-term damage that can occur when an infection travels upward. Just a quick tip: if you are going for cranberry juice, make sure it is the unsweetened version. Loading up on sugar will only negate the benefits by stressing your insulin levels. As we look at all these incredible foods, it is important to remember that prevention and early care are the absolute keys to lifelong health. Your kidneys are incredibly resilient, and in many cases, early damage can be partially managed or even stabilized with the right lifestyle changes. It starts with small steps. Try swapping out a heavy meat meal for a cauliflower-based dish once a week. Reduce the salt shaker on the table and use garlic and herbs for flavor instead. Drink your 8 to 10 glasses of water gradually throughout the day rather than chugging it all at once, which can actually stress the system. It is also vital to be mindful of how often you reach for those painkillers for every minor ache. Your kidneys have to process every pill you take. By choosing anti-inflammatory foods like blueberries and ginger, you might find you need those pills less often anyway. Always remember that if you already have a diagnosed kidney condition, you should talk to your doctor before making major changes, especially regarding high potassium or high phosphorus foods. But for the vast majority of us, these fruits and vegetables are the best insurance policy we can buy. Your body is a complex, beautiful machine, and your kidneys are the unsung heroes keeping the whole system clean. By paying attention to the signs like puffy eyes or fatigue, and by fueling yourself with the right nutrients, you are giving yourself the gift of energy and longevity. The road to health isn't paved with complicated chemicals. It is often found in the produce aisle. Start today by adding one of these kidney protectors to your next meal. Your body will thank you for years to come. Thanks for spending this time with me today. If you found this information helpful, feel free to share it with someone you care about, and don't forget to follow for more ways to live your healthiest life. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.